Seems like there is a way. Whoa, 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 whoa. Commit, Ben, commit. Thorns, that's the thing. You really don't want to risk it with thorns. Not fair to have a puncher in the middle of nowhere. They do it intentionally so that people don't trespass. I'm glad that I found myself a lovely water body. Well, lovely little day. Beautiful beautiful water body. And yeah, I think, oh yeah, maybe I can take it up there. Let's just see if we can. Yeah, so the idea of me taking it up there, not gonna happen. Thorns. All of these fellas. Some here, and then even if I were to take a straight line from over there, very easy to climb this up, but all this I don't want to risk. So it's this big bunch over here that kind of is on my path, which I definitely don't want to risk, and I move it aside. Even then you don't know the little ones that are on the ground that can give you a puncher, and you don't want a puncher here. Wow, a bird out of the blue. Yeah, look at this, guys. Wow. Woo. Crazy, huh? Lovely life, being out in the wild, whatever wild this is. Has always been gratifying through all the nonsense that one goes through in life daily. This is truly wow. And look at that machine. Just look at that machine. The contrast, the background to the foreground. Whoa. Machine written all over, huh? The Himalayan, the Royal Enfield Himalayan, that can do just about anything. Let's ride the ditch. Let's hope no thorns here. Woo. Some nice clutch control, body balancing. Put your butt out. Very important. Wow, what would this be? Ah, this was the well that I checked out. Back into the ditch. Little tiny one. Like I said, anything above 30 kmph on this is and with this you just can't see far. You will have to see at about 5 to 10 meters. 10 meters ahead, not more. There you go. This could land me in trouble, but I'm anyways going to give it a try. These are two-wheeler tire marks, and I'm going to count on them to take me somewhere. Oh. Adventures on the Himalayan. Woo! Woo! Woo-hoo! Figured out a way to get down, and then have been following this track. Look at this fella. This fella just continues to surprise me. The thing with these knobbies is you don't have to be so afraid of punchers. My God, what a scene. Okay, come on, Himi, take me somewhere, buddy. Oh. I better stick to the track. Poor fella. Slow down, buddy. I have no interest in harming you. Slow down. Poor fella. Wow.